Welcome back everyone. So in the last video we have built this UI. So now basically we will build the second view controller. So let's drag a view controller. Okay, this is here. So now let's see what we want. So at the top we want a heading. So let's grab a UI view. Okay, now I will add constraints to it. 0 from top, left and right, and I will give it a fixed height of 100 pixels. And let's add 4 constraints, and I want the color to be the same as it is in the first view. Okay, and let's change the color of the bottom view. So I want it to be this color, but I want to reduce the opacity, so let's decrease it down to 80. Okay, now both are looking same. So now we need a label at the top, so let's take a label and put it at the top. Let's place it horizontally in container and vertically in container. Okay, now I will bottom align it, central align it, and change the text color to be white, and I will change the font, and it should be Zepfino regular. Okay, the screen increase the size to be 28. Okay, and let's put something here. I think I should put Game of Thrones here. Okay, this is looking very big, so let's make it small. I think 20 is looking good. Okay, now what we need is we need a button at the top so that we can go back to the main view controller. So let's grab a button and place it here, and the button, let's say the title will be back. Okay, let's change the font. Okay, let's make it Zepfino again, regular. Okay, let's increase the size. Okay, let's decrease the font size. I think I should do 12. Okay, and let's, okay, it's looking nice, I think. Now I will add constraints. I will do, I want it to be vertical in the center, no, horizontally. Okay, let's do it vertically in the center first. Okay, okay, I'll just select that, sorry. I will do vertically in the center, and then I will add a constraint which is 8 from the left, and give it a fixed width and fixed height of, let's say, 40 pixels, and add constraints. Okay, I think I should change the font. Let's make it Avenir next. Okay, not italic, I want heavy, no. Bold, italic, no. Bold. Okay, instead of bold, let's make it demi bold and increase the font. Okay, 13 is nice. I think I will just change its color. So instead of black, I think I will make it black. Okay, this is a nice button which will take us back to the main view controller. So now what we have to do is we have to We basically need 6 different labels for year of release, IMDb rating, and IMDb votes. So let's start by creating them in the bottom view. I will search for label here. Okay, and the heading will be year released. Okay, let's make it center line. Color is black, and the font is, I think, Helvetica Neue is nice. Let's make it bold. Okay, now what I will do, I will pin it to the top. Let's say 60 from top, 20 from left, 20 from right, and okay, it's nice. Let's add 3 constraints. Okay, done. Now I will just increase its font size. I think 32 is nice. Okay, now what I will do, I will add another label. So let's copy paste this by doing Control C and Control V. This is it, and let's make 20 from the top, 20 from the left, 20 from the right, and add 3 constraints. Okay, let's change the label text to be, let's choose an arbitrary date for Game of Thrones, which is 17 April 2011, and I will make it a bit shorter. Now 20 is nice, and let's just change color to dark gray color. Okay, this is looking nice. Now what I will do is I will add another label. Basically I will copy paste for the IMDb rating here. Before that, what you will do is you will create a simple line. So how to create a horizontal line? We actually need a UI view for that. So I will grab a UI view here. What I will do is I will pin it. Okay, 20 from the top, 0 from the left, 0 from the right, and let's give it a fixed height of 1 pixel, so that this view will, you can see that now this view is actually looking like a line because we have given it a height of 1. So you can see that this is looking like an line. So this is how we create a line in iOS. So now I will need another label, so I will just copy paste it by Control C and Control V. I will do 60 from top, 20 from left, 20 from right. Okay, this is done. This will be IMDb rating. Now I will copy this and I will paste it here, and I will now do 20 from top, 20 from left, and 20 from right. I will add constraints, and IMDb rating, let's Game of Thrones has 9.5. Now I need another UI view, so I will do it again. Let's spin it 20 from the top, 0 from the left, and 0 from the right, and give it a fixed height of 1 pixels. Okay, add 4 constraints. This is now also looking like a line. So now we need 2 more labels. So let's copy this again. Let's add some constraints. Let's say 60 from top, 20 from left, 20 from right. Add 3 constraints. Now I will copy this label. I will paste it here. I will do 20 from top, 20 from left, 20 from right. Add 3 constraints. And now I think if you want a line at the bottom, okay, let's insert line at the bottom. This is the, I will add constraints to it. 20 from the top, 0 from the left, and 0 from the right, and 1 pixel height, which is a fixed height. Okay, so now our UI has been completely built. Now what we need is, we actually need to create a segue, which is basically a connection between these two view controllers. So what I will do is I will just control drag from here to here, and I will, let's say, present modally. I will do this. Okay, I will tell you what is present modally. What is the difference between show and present modally? I will tell this when we will write some code. So basically this is the whole UI for our app. So in the next video we will make new files for our view controllers, and also we will start by writing some code. So see you in the next video.